Hey everyone, welcome back to Platter Pulse. Today we're making a luscious espresso salted chocolate mousse with a crunchy almond twist. It's rich, elegant, and so easy to whip up. Start by melting 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips with 1 tablespoon of freshly brewed espresso over low heat. Stir until smooth and glossy. In a small bowl, lightly beat 1 large egg yolk. Temper it by stirring in a little of the hot chocolate, then pour it all back into the pan. Keep stirring and cook for about 2 minutes until the mixture slightly thickens. Take it off the heat and stir in 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract and a pinch of flaky sea salt. It really enhances the chocolate flavor. Let it cool completely. Now whip 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Once it begins to thicken, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and continue whipping until soft peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cooled chocolate mixture until it's light and airy. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of chopped roasted almonds for that satisfying crunch. Spoon it into serving glasses and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Top it off with whipped cream, chocolate curls, or a few coffee beans if you're feeling fancy. If you enjoyed this quick and decadent dessert, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy recipes here on Platter Pulse.